In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Shokz OpenDots 2 to your MacBook. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and navigate to your Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. So let's go ahead and open up Bluetooth. And then once you're in your Bluetooth settings, you want to now put your Shokz OpenDots 2 in pairing mode. To do that, simply just open up the case and it should automatically start entering pairing mode. If it doesn't, you're just going to go ahead and press on the button at the back until the indicator light starts blinking rapidly between green and orange. And then when you see it blinking like so, you can now know it's in pairing mode. So from here, you're going to go ahead and go to your Bluetooth settings on your MacBook, and under nearby devices, you should be able to see your Shokz. So go ahead and select connect. And then once they've been successfully connected, you can now be able to use the Shokz to listen to any audio currently coming from your MacBook. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.